If you want to change icon color on Google Pixel 11, first we need to open the settings. Over here in the settings, search for wallpaper and style. Now we're gonna switch to the home screen preview and then swipe up here from this bottom section. Now you should be able to go to icons, and here we have the style selection. And if you want to change colors for color for all icons, then you can, for example, switch to the minimal style. Of course, in addition to that, you can change the shape and the name, and the color of these icons are based on the color that you choose over here. So of course, by default, we have wallpaper colors, but you also can find some additional other colors, and as you can see, they change, these colors change up icon colors as well. So you can of course pick one of them. Now, besides that, let me actually discard that. Besides that, if you go back to icons, you can create a new style. And here, if you try to create a new style, then you can see that we have many different additional options. So for example, I'm gonna go for Stardust. There we go. This is how it looks like. I'm not sure if we can actually make some detailed changes, but if I tap on any of these up icons, then I have the option to create a new style. So let's say I'm gonna use this as an example, and there we go. We have apparently changed the style. It looks slightly different. Let's see if we can make some further customization. And there we go. It has small changes here and there. But once you like the icon, then of course you can download it, and then you should be able to easily apply it. So we're gonna tap on the upper right corner over there. So if you go back here, if you select on the icon pack, I guess, then you can tap on this check in the upper right corner to add it to this list, so then you can select it here. And of course, you want to apply afterwards. And this is how it looks like. Unfortunately, it seems that it doesn't work for the app drawer, but it seems to be working just fine on the home screen. Leave a like and subscribe.